Broadleaf Signalgrass is a summer annual grassy weed. In residential areas, this weed can easily spread and take over lawns quickly. In agricultural areas, this weed's presence takes nutrients and reduces crop yields. In this video, we'll show you how to identify broadleaf signalgrass, how to get rid of this weed, and how to prevent it from growing back. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Broadleaf signalgrass is a grassy weed with long stems and short, wide leaf blades. The leaf blades grow up to 6 inches in length, up to 15 millimeters wide, and they are hairless on both the upper-facing and lower-facing surfaces. When mature, the stems grow up to 3 feet in length, forming large rosette-like clumps. When this plant flowers, each seed head it produces grows 2 to 6 branches that are up to 3.5 inches long. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Broadleaf signalgrass is a summer annual that is mostly a problem in the southern United States. It prefers to grow in loamy to sandy soils with good drainage. It can handle full sun or partially shaded areas. Common sites where this weed occurs include, but are not limited to, roadsides, agricultural fields, ditches, and other disturbed areas. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To eliminate broadleaf signalgrass on commercial or residential properties, use a selective post-emergent herbicide that's labeled not to injure your property's desired turf. Check out Quinclorac 1.5L. This product offers broad-spectrum control of broadleaf and grassy weeds on a wide variety of turfs. To treat broadleaf signalgrass, mix the labeled rate of 1.45 fluid ounces of the product with 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet. We recommend you mix and apply your solution with a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. Spot treat any targeted weeds you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals for this application of Quinclorac 1.5L range from 14 to 21 days after the initial treatment. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before flower or seed production. Be aware that certain turf grasses are susceptible to this product, including Bahia grass, colonial bent grass, seaside bent grass, centipede grass, dichondra, and St. Augustine grass. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. Broadleaf signalgrass is an annual weed that grows from seed every season, so the best way to prevent it is by applying a pre-emergent herbicide like Barricade. Barricade Granular Pre-Emergent herbicide will form a chemical barrier in your soil that will prevent weed seeds from sprouting and emerging. Depending on your turfgrass species, you'll apply 1.5 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. After application, water in the product with at least half an inch of water. Make an application in the early spring to stop seeds from germinating in the summer. An additional application may be made after 6 months for year-round weed prevention. In addition to pre-emergent herbicides, we also recommend you promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. A lawn dense with taller, trimmed grass is better able to choke out weeds and prevent them from establishing. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches, rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop signal grasses from establishing, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.